Hi, my name is Naquana Letman. I am the kitchen manager at the Free Library's Culinary Literacy Center. Today, I'll be teaching you all how to cut medium diced carrots. Before you begin cutting any fruit or vegetable, you want to ensure that all of your fruit and vegetables are clean. I like to use water and distilled white vinegar to clean my fruit and vegetables. The next thing, you want to make sure you have a sharp edged knife. You want to make sure you have a sharp edged knife so that you don't have to put as much force on a knife when you are slicing. The last thing is you want to ensure that your cutting board is secure on the counter and do not move. You want to make sure that your cutting board do not move so that as you're slicing, you do not cut yourself. Let's begin cutting. The first thing you want to do is cut your carrot into thirds. The reason we are cutting the carrots into thirds is so that it will be manageable. Next, you want to ensure that your carrots have a flat surface. You cannot cut something while it's rocking and not cut yourself. So, to avoid all of that, we want to make sure we have a flat surface when we begin. Next, I like to cut them into 1/2-inch thirds again, or about 1/2-inch thirds. Medium dice is a 1/2-inch thick. So if you cut them down into 1/2-inch sizes from the beginning, it makes it very easy to cut your medium dice and get precision with your cuts. It's very important that your cuts are as close to the same size as possible, or they will not cook at the same rate. Some will cook faster than others. Once you have it down to about 1/2 inch, then you can simply go through and cut 1/2-inch squares. They may not all be the same size, but the goal is to get them as close to 1/2 inch as possible. And there you have it, medium dice.